in San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Bexar County, northwestern Atascosa County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Somerset, or 8 miles northwest of Poteet, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include San Antonio, Poteet, Lytle, Somerset, Elmendorf, Calabres Lake, Lackland Air Force Base, SeaWorld, Panormi, Rossville, South Fund, Water, SP, Amphion, Mitchell Lake, Buena Vista, McDonough, Bronick Lake, Thelma, and La Jolla. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is...
This popped up literally as the tones came up.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio. Station WXK67.
Alright, I forgot that there's no working batteries in the WR120. Wow. That's embarrassing. Oh well, I'll leave the recom on. Weather. Plug it back in.